drums in the beginning, and I think there's also, I know the chorus, your rapper, or the intro, your rapper, he's whack, dude, does he even try? We just lifted that from Reggie in the Full Effect, and then Reggie found out about that, and he brought me on tour with him. I got to go on tour with Reggie, and then he got canceled, which is how every story ends these days, but who cares? He still really inspired me. Here we go.